In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Cloudflare Verify You Are Human. Whether the checkbox just won't complete no matter how many times you click it, or it keeps sending you back to try again, this is one of the most common Cloudflare hiccups out there, and there's a solid list of fixes worth working through. Let's dive right in. Quick refresher on what's happening. That checkbox runs a Cloudflare tool called Turnstile, which quietly checks things like your browser's behavior and configuration to confirm you're a real visitor rather than a bot, before letting you through to the site. When it can't complete that check cleanly, it either fails outright or keeps resetting and asking you to try again. Here's a genuinely useful diagnostic step to start with. Try opening the same site in an incognito or private browsing window. If it works fine there, that tells you something in your regular browser profile, whether that's a specific extension, a corrupted cookie, or a setting, is the actual cause, which narrows down everything else you're about to try. With that in mind, head into your extensions and disable them one at a time, reloading the site after each. Pay special attention to anything related to fingerprint protection or canvas blocking, like Canvas Blocker or similar privacy tools, since Turnstile's check specifically looks at certain browser behaviors that these extensions are designed to alter or hide, which directly interferes with the verification completing. Next, clear your cache and cookies for the site. Old, corrupted session data tied to a previous failed check can keep triggering the same failure on repeat, so wiping it out and reloading gives your browser a genuinely fresh attempt. Make sure JavaScript is enabled too, since this verification simply cannot run without it, and double-check your browser is fully updated, since Turnstile is built around current browser standards and can behave unpredictably on an outdated version. If you're using a VPN, especially a free one or one using shared IP addresses, that's worth turning off next. When a lot of different people are routed through the same VPN server, and some of that traffic has looked suspicious to Cloudflare before, your connection can get lumped in with that reputation, even though you personally haven't done anything wrong. Try disconnecting the VPN or switching to a different server location and attempt the check again. It's also worth checking your device's date and time settings and making sure they're set to update automatically, since an incorrect system clock can quietly cause this exact kind of verification failure without giving you any obvious clue why. If you're the one running the website and your visitors are the ones reporting this, rather than you personally being stuck, the cause is usually sitting in your own Cloudflare settings instead. Head into Security, then Settings, and check whether Bot Fight Mode or Browser Integrity Check are switched on and being overly aggressive for your specific audience. If legitimate visitors, especially ones on residential IPs with no VPN or proxy involved, are consistently getting challenged, try temporarily turning these off one at a time to see which one is responsible, then dial your security settings back to something less aggressive for your particular traffic. So to recap, test in incognito to narrow down the cause, disable extensions one by one, especially fingerprint blockers, clear your cache and cookies, confirm JavaScript is on and your browser's updated, turn off any VPN, check your device's clock, and if you're the site owner, look at whether your own security settings are too aggressive. Thanks for watching, and happy verifying.